Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, you're going to see the final piece of the outdoor patio, somewhat kitchen, no refrigerator, but there's a grill in it, cooler, and a cutting board. And this episode is being brought to you by Yummy Tap Water. You want to know why? Because no one's sponsoring my ass, that's why. Okay, done being silly. So anyways, let's see if I can get this all in here. This thing is 12 feet long. It is massive, but I love it. So I'll give you a walkthrough of it. Sorry, some of the video they had to cut them short. You know, I got interrupted a couple of times, but that's what happens when you try and do work for a lot of hours. You can't always get everything done. So anyways, I'm going to walk you through all this. First, you have a Duro. This is a 4-burner. I know I don't have all the insides in it yet because this is going to get moved and I don't want everything rattling around. But everyone's probably thinking, hey, it's going to set itself on fire. No, it's not. 2 reasons. One, as you can see, there's a nice big gap here and it's high enough. Okay? I'll even show you on the other side. Okay, you can see this gap right here. All in there. I can stick my finger in there. And the other thing, I'll walk you around. Nice shiny top. The back of this is completely open. And right here, like I showed before, these are kind of V-shaped. So this way the heat transfer stays away from the sides. It's like that on both sides. So this being fully open back here, it can get nice and hot. It's not going to hurt the wood, and I have it set tall enough and away from it where it's not going to do any damage to it. So for all you guys that want to chime in there, I've already heard somebody say, well, I built one and I set it on fire. You didn't do it properly. You got to take those things in consideration like heat. So this has 7 doors on it. This one right here. Okay, as you can see, it's all nice and slotted. This is where the propane tank's going to go. Most of them, propane tanks go directly underneath the grill. This one I wanted it set off to the side, so it gives a little bit more room to breathe in there, and all the wood has openings in it, so it breathes even more. I had to put a double magnet on here because this door is a lot larger than normal. I have 2 other doors right here. So this way, if you need to get underneath here, for any reason, there is no shelving. I don't want any shelving in there. So if somebody accidentally put anything in there that can cause this to be caught on fire, these are all, right here, this is not a door, these are all breathable. Okay, they're all spaced out. So that way, there's plenty of breathing in there for the grill. This is where I put some shelving. As you can see, it is far enough away from the grill. Okay, got some shelving down here and up here. And you're wondering, why is there a garbage can in there? Well, I put in a nice built-in cutting board. This little slot right here, when you're done, you take all your scrapings, well, whatever is left over. Let me get that. And you just put them down the hole, right down into the garbage can. And this is a 18 by 12, so it's a pretty good cutting surface and a good prep surface. Right here, this cooler, this is an igloo cooler. I was showing you guys before. I put a drain in it, and it goes down there nice and tight so it seals, which is fantastic for why I built it like that, so this way the coldness will stay in there. These other 2 doors, these do have a little bit of cabinet space in here also. Shelving right here, down there, as you can see the cooler, how I have it in there, these blocks right here, so it won't slide back and forth. This one up here, one on each side, so it won't lift itself out. And there is your drain. And no real shelving in here either. But I will close everything up. All the magnets hold the doors nice and snug. You can hear them click in. Okay, on the top of it, I went with like 3 coats of satin first. You're probably asking why. Because you get spots like this, as you can see, it doesn't like to get real shiny. I went over with the satin so this way the clear would have a little bit more to grab onto. This is an outdoor clear, which works fantastic. I used to use regular clear, but it takes so many more coats in order to make it look shiny. The outdoor clear, it shines up a whole lot faster, even though I still put the same amount of coats on it, but it builds it up better and it gives it a better shine, and it looks gorgeous. The top of this right here is not the same wood that I use here. This is all cedar, this is pine, because you can see it's 2 pieces of wood. I needed wood that was wide enough. I still had to cut it down a little bit. So, and then I just framed it in all the way around. I still kept this. I did move it. It was over here, but I moved it. So this way you get a little bit more room to open up. And then I'll show you walking around the back. God, I love that shine. That looks so nice. And once I did the top, it will stop on its own before it starts resting on it. So when you do shut it, let it fall down. Just your regular, good old-fashioned little hinges. Makes it look fantastic. So, this is the same length as the bar. The back of it is the same setup. Except for I just had to custom make it the way I liked it. So, there you go. A nice big long. This way we can turn it into a thumbnail. And there you have it. Yes, it's very hot in here again, which was great for the temperature. It is 88 degrees. And Woody's still smiling. So there you have it. 12-foot outdoor grill with a built-in cutting board and a built-in cooler that will hold 78 cans of beer, soda, pop, whatever you want to put in it with the drain so you can empty it. I made it so it went straight down. This way I can put a bucket underneath it, empty it out, and it's done. So till then, I'll try and shoot more as I can, the more things that I build. But till then, please thank you for the views that I have been getting. I'm slowly getting new subscribers. I would love to see a lot more, but you just got to be able to find me. Till then, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys all again soon.